My mom calls me dull, so I decided to turn myself into one.
On a big homie nigga, don't you get this shit twisted. Middle finger up, finger for the competition. Niggas always talking, so you know they never listen. P220 turn a nigga to a Christian.
Hey, what's up? Hello, it's the girl that was born in the 0 and 5 and is just trying to survive. The one they call a stick and can't keep her mouth shut. With a little. If you're new to my channel, hey, what's up to you? If you've been around, I'm back. I'm back, and well done to you for sticking around with my inconsistent ass. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. Don't be weird, do it now. Do it now. I'm giving you 5 seconds. I'm gonna count. Giving you 5 seconds. That's right. That's right. Thank you for liking and subscribing. Also, today we have a maintenance vlog. Is there maintenance if you don't really do this often? So I'm gonna get my hair did. I'm gonna get my nails done. Pray for me because I'm cheating on my nail tech. And we all know that when you cheat on your nail tech or your barber, things usually go terribly wrong. I'm just hoping for the best. Then I'm gonna get my wig installed. It's a beautiful blonde wig. My mommy calls me doll. So I decided I'm gonna turn myself into a doll, you know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? Because I've never had a frontal installed, so it's my first time. And then I'm gonna get some lashes done as well. Let's get into it, yeah.
Like I got 2 wheels on me, go ride me like bike. Damn, that's how she sound when I pipe. She said, "How man, nigga, don't do it right." Baby girl, can I get over me? Niggas gon' test me, it's over, I'm stabbing these eyes. Niggas can't find me like Carmen San Diego, nigga, I'm fire like Colin the Bright. Hey, no competition, these niggas, nigga, I'm not in play. Hey, that little boy say these song and I'm like, that's my flow over there. You stole it, bitch. Get on my songs and I tell him, boy, I put my soul over there. No cap, no kissing. Baby girl, I just pull up for this smash, she smash, no kissing. I got that cash on me, I need more. And what they say about me, I'm the good. Niggas they had on me, I'm like Lord. I tell you, take my dick, say it good. She call me daddy, I treat that fatty like a patty crabby. Damn it, man, I'm sorry, I'm a crabby patty. Damn it, man, I'm sorry, you go on me badly, cause I got the formula. Big racks, big slap, big name, link spill, so I got a big stain, 10 toes. I ain't never switch lanes, niggas lame, really playing big games. Adelaide, double up double. Either get hot or just stuck in a bubble. Talk about drip, but you just a little puddle. You fuck what you talking, I'm back on my bullshit, nigga, yeah. I'm in the building, done my day, yeah. That only mean that song that coming on gon' be a hit. Flexing so much, nigga, like on my pics. She asked if I want to sloppy, I'm like, yes. Fucked her to good, now she telling her friends. Now I gotta start the whole process again. So she gon' hit me up and tell me she want it. I tell her, hold her, girl, you don't even know me. She said it doesn't matter, girl, she so lonely, she know me. She follow me and all my homies. She kinda them Leo, the Leo, both trying so kid, wrong, and the rest I see I be, but then she wanna eat. Keep my stacking and I never ever sleep. But what's happening? You check my phone, all the songs by me, cause it's little niggas songs make me sleep. I got the whole dang game on my feet. All my ending here so niggas can repeat. Got that ice around my neck, so when nigga be bullying, you know that I'm nigga, you know that I'm drop top hot. Play with that bitch, make a hopscotch. Put a clock, put a red dot on the op. Use his head as a mop. Like niggas can't handle, bitch, I be lit like a bic or a candle. I see you copy my moves like a stencil. Break your ass off like the tip of a pencil. Fuck that shit, feel like a.
Next up, we going to get this frontal installed. It's my first time, and I'm really excited. Guys, I'm really gonna look like a Barbie doll. What do you mean, bro? I'm so excited because the quality of this girl's work that I see on Instagram, yeah, it's so bang. So I can't wait personally for me. Anyway, let's go. I forgot to show y'all my nails.
Never wanna pass in the media, bro. Wanna fat be like Kardashians. Wanna fat be like Martin got a yo. We like the block clock, tell her reload it. I've got the camera, my girls are posing. I need some backup, then my ones are rolling. Grown women think so I'm never at risk. Mind my own business, I'm never in mess. Who am I? I ain't bait, get a slice of the cake. Want a house with a view and a new pair of shoes. Keep it real from the jump, Gucci gang, little pump, little vibe, little bass, little kick, little snare, little lies, big truths. Do you? They don't care. Do you? They don't care. Get your ass out the box and build up from there. I don't have a gang with me, but I still walk with a gangster lean. I rock Nikes cause we think they're clean. MJ leather jacket, me Billie Jean. MJ leather jacket cause I think I'm bad. I like it, the growth, the light.
just move boards on top of that. We gotta see him in your team. Look at your crown, natural, relax at the Jericho. One side soft and sheen. Where black girl magic is sometimes blue. I broke a hair bangle too. Raise my voice, you're gonna say that I'm angry. Kiss my teeth and now you say that I'm hood. Hidden 16, you say it's my destiny. Driver range if you come up to no group. Give us a break and let us breathe, man. Give us a chance that is a chief. And I know that my head looks a bit different today. So don't touch my head.
New hair, who this? All black woman jacket and a van two twist. Look, my.
I'm gonna go give someone their wig, because she also does revivals. They're like, I'm sitting here and I'm just like, I look so cute. I feel so cute. Like, this is not done yet, but I just feel like it's just gonna make sense, yeah, when this is all done.
No matter I can handle this, we're fine. Took a second double boards in Red Sea. I think that I care too much, but all this cover sea air. 2 cups, I've got nothing to show, but you love, check my flaws and all my flaws. I was black back when it wasn't even in style, that's cool. I like it, the growth, the lies, the pain, the fight, the love, the fight, we hurt, the hurt, the pain, the price, you'll be.
I think I need some time away. I took a little time. I pray we gon' be alright. Okay, alright. Okay, alright. Okay. Think I need some time away. I took a little time. I pray we gon' be alright. Okay, alright. Okay, alright. Okay, alright.
So it was late when I left, but like, what do I even mean? What did I come to say? I'm so impressed by that girl's work, and she's so nice and so professional. Child, it's the everything for me. Like, what do you mean, guys? What do you mean? Like, look at this. I just can't believe it. I can't believe it. Look at me. Look. Niribonani, nilamtisi. Hey bro! Smart, we're getting the lashes done. That's gonna be crazy. Good morning. So today I'm going to get my individual lashes. This is my first time. I just have FOMO. They just look so good. It won't hurt nobody, and I'm not paying for it. Like, this is my daddy money. Like, whoa. I'm very excited to do this. Can you guys tell that I'm excited? But anyway, let's get to it.
I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kinda like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is a role that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth. I can't just be with you and only you. Yeah, I got one Virgil, got one, and that there is the only two, man. How many times have I shown and proved, man? How many nights I've been woke, swerving the potholes, not trying to fuck up the wheels on the road, okay? Funny how life goes. He thought he was sick, now we wiping his nose, okay? Soon as you give him your soul, you blow up and they say you're selling your soul, okay? They want my life exposed, they want to know about the highs and lows. Well, summer all I did was rest, okay? And New Year's all I did was stretch, okay? And Valentine's Day I had sex, okay? We'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, okay, we'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay.
I'm back from getting my lashes done. What do you mean? Oof. Oof. I got volume lashes because I was like, go big or go home. If I'm going to do something new, why not like take it to the top? Yay! 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 Oh! Child, please. Please, let's look at me. Like I said, my mom calls me dog, so I decided to turn myself into one. Like, what? I'm a fan of the material. You know, I'm a fan of the material. Also, I'm a plug y'all with who the lash lady is. She's amazing. And she's so kind, bro. She's got so much energy, and I love that. You know, no bad vibes, not a weirdo, very accommodating. She sold me these lash brushes and some shampoo for the aftercare, because apparently your lashes only last as long as you also take care of them. So, what responsibilities? I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I hope you like getting pretty with me. know, because I like getting pretty in general. I feel amazing. I will catch you guys next time. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe and share, baby. We going onto the road to 400 subscribers. So, toodles. Bye.
Big homie nigga, don't you get this shit twisted. Middle finger up, finger for the competition. Niggas always talking so you know they never listen. P220 turn a nigga to a Christian.